What should firefighters do if a fire alarm sounds during their shift? Have you ever wondered what goes through a firefighter's mind when a fire alarm goes off during their shift? It's a moment filled with urgency and responsibility. Let's break down the steps firefighters take to ensure safety and effective response when that alarm sounds. First, when a fire alarm activates, firefighters must quickly acknowledge it and prepare to respond. They gather information about the alarm's location and nature. This initial assessment is vital for a coordinated response. Next, they follow the R.A.C.E procedure, which stands for rescue, alarm, confine, and extinguish or evacuate. The first step is to rescue anyone in immediate danger. If people are trapped, firefighters will prioritize their safety. Then, they confirm that the alarm has been activated and notify dispatch or emergency communication centers. This ensures that everyone is aware of the situation and can coordinate efforts effectively. The next step is to confine the fire. Firefighters will close doors and windows to limit the spread of smoke and flames. This simple action can make a significant difference in controlling the situation. If it is safe and they are trained to do so, firefighters may attempt to extinguish small fires. However, if the fire is too large or conditions are unsafe, their priority shifts to evacuating the area. They guide occupants to the nearest safe exits, avoiding elevators and assisting those with disabilities. Communication is key during this process. Firefighters must stay in contact with dispatch and other emergency personnel. They also need to direct building occupants to designated assembly points away from danger. Safety measures are critical. Firefighters wear protective gear and use breathing apparatus when entering smoke-filled areas. They avoid taking unnecessary risks and do not attempt to save personal belongings. Once on the scene, firefighters conduct thorough searches for trapped individuals. They perform rescue operations and begin fire suppression using hoses and extinguishers as needed. After the fire is under control, they ensure that all occupants are accounted for. They report the incident details and do not allow anyone to re-enter the building until the all clear is given by emergency personnel. These steps prioritize human safety, effective fire management, and clear communication. Firefighters follow their department-specific emergency plans, which may include additional procedures tailored to their environment. Understanding these actions helps us appreciate the dedication and training that firefighters undergo to keep us safe.